Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson of how to speak Bosnian. Today we will be learning about modal verbs in Bosnian. Stay with us. Modal verbs in Bosnian are following. Moći, moći, to be able. Morati, morati, must. Htjeti, htjeti, to want or would like. Smjeti, smjeti, to have permission or to dare. And the last one is trebati, trebati, should. Look at the conjugation of moći or be able to. I can, you would say ja mogu ili mogu. You can, možeš, možeš. He, she, it can, može, može. Možemo, we can. Možete, you can. And mogu, they can. If you notice here that I can and they can are spelled the same, but the stress is longer on they can. And that's how we know that you're talking about them being able to do something versus I am able to do something. So listen to this one more time. Mogu, I can. Mogu, they can. Hear the difference? Okay. Now let's look at one of the examples. The only example below. Mogu kuhati bosansku hranu. Again, mogu kuhati bosansku hranu. I am able to cook Bosnian food. Negative form of moći or to be able to goes like this. Ne mogu, ne mogu, I can't. Ne možeš, ne možeš, you can't. Ne može, ne može, he, she, it can't. Ne možemo, ne možemo, we can't. Ne možete, ne možete, you can't. And the last one, ne mogu, ne mogu, they can't. Example. Ne možemo ići na plažu ove sedmice. Again, ne možemo ići na plažu ove sedmice. We can't go to the beach this week. Now let's look at the interrogative form of moći or to be able to. To ask a question, you would start with da li, and then you would just use this the form of a conjugated form of moći. First one is da li mogu, da li mogu. The question would be in English, the equivalent of this would be can I or am I able to. Da li možeš, da li možeš, can you or are you able to. Da li može, da li može, can he, she, it or is he, she, it able to. Da li možemo, da li možemo, da li možete, da li možete, and the last one, da li mogu, da li mogu. Remember, you can also start as a question with the short form, or mogu li, or možeš li, or može li, možemo li, instead of da li možemo, da li možete. So it can be the question could be asked two different ways. Example: da li možeš or možeš li poslati pismo? Are you able to send a letter? Okay. The next modal verb we're learning today is morati, morati, or must. Ja moram, I must. Ti moraš, you must. On, ona, ono mora. On, ona, ono mora. he, she, it must. Mi moramo, we must. Vi morate, you must. Or the last one, oni moraju, they must. Example, moraš očistiti svoju sobu. Again, moraš očistiti svoju sobu. You must clean your room. The negative form of morati or must goes like this. Ne moram, ne moraš, ne moraš, ne mora, ne moramo, ne morate, and ne moraju, okay? Example, ne moramo govoriti o Don Quijotu ove sedmice. Again, ne moramo govoriti o Don Quijotu ove sedmice. We don't have to speak about Don Quixote this week. Interrogative form of morati or must goes like this. Da li moram or moram li? Da li moram or moram li? Da li moraš or moraš li? Da li moraš, moraš li? Da li mora or mora li? Da li mora or mora li? Da li moramo or moramo li? Da li moramo or moramo li? Da li morate, morate li? Da li morate or morate li? Da li moraju or moraju li? Da li moraju, moraju li? Example, da li moraš or moraš li putovati u Sarajevo danas? Again, da li moraš or moraš li putovati u Sarajevo danas? Do you must travel to Sarajevo today? We're learning is htjeti or want, will, or would like. It has various meanings, but this is the main the main meaning of htjeti. Hoću, I want. Hoćeš, you want. Hoće, he, she, it wants. Hoćemo, we want. Hoćete, you want. Hoće, they want. Example, ja hoću da putujem po svijetu. Again, ja hoću da putujem po svijetu. I want or I would like to travel around the world. Again, you don't have to say ja in this case as a pronoun, but you can. It's fine. You can say hoću da putujem po svijetu and it would mean the same thing. Okay. Negative form of htjeti or to want, will, or would like to goes something like this. Neću, nećeš, neće, nećemo, nećete, neće. Example, neću piti pivo, ja bih radije pila crno vino. Again, neću piti pivo, ja bih radije pila crno vino. I don't want to drink beer. I would rather drink red wine. Interrogative form of htjeti or want, will, or would like to goes like this. Hoću li, hoćeš li, hoće li, hoće li, hoćemo li, hoćete li, and the last one, hoće li. The first one, hoću li, like, I mean, if we're looking for the meaning to want, will, or would like to, If you're asking yourself, like, hoću li, I don't know, will I do something? Or would I like to do something? That's not really, in English, doesn't make any sense. But in Bosnian, when you say hoću li, it's majority of the time you're asking for someone, like, is it required for me? Is it asked of me to do something? It's more like a permission, but although it's not what it says here, to want, will, or would like to, but it's rather asking, like, I don't know if I'm required to do this. That's what hoću li means. Example. Hoćeš li putovati u Bosnu ove godine? Again, hoćeš li putovati u Bosnu ove godine? Will you travel to Bosnia this year? Or maybe, if it's all depending on the context of the speaker and the situation which the speaker is finding themselves in. If there are two people and one of them may ask, oh, will you travel to Bosnia this year? They can say hoćeš li putovati u Bosnu ove godine, but also they can say, would you like to travel to Bosnia this year? It's all depending on the context. Smijeti, smijeti, to have permission or to dare. Smijem, smijem, smiješ, smiješ, smije, smije, smijemo, smijemo, smijete, smijete, smiju, smiju. Example. Ja smijem putovati sama. Ja smijem putovati sama. I have a permission, or I dare to travel by myself, alone. Negative form of smijeti goes like this. Ne smijem, ne smijem, ne smiješ, ne smiješ, ne smije, ne smije, ne smijemo, ne smijemo, ne smijete, ne smijete, ne smiju, ne smiju. Example. Ne smiju voziti po snijegu. Ne smiju voziti po snijegu. They don't have a permission, or they don't dare to drive in snow. Interrogative form of smijeti goes like this. Da li smijem, or smijem li? Da li smijem, or smijem li? Da li smiješ, or smiješ li? Da li smiješ, or smiješ li? Da li smije, or smije li? Da li smije, or smije li? Da li smijemo, or smijemo li? Da li smijemo, or smijemo li? Da li smijete, or smijete li? Da li smijete, or smijete li? Da li smiju, or smiju li? Example. Smijete li ići u kino sa nama? Smijete li ići u kino sa nama? Do you have a permission to go to the cinema with us? And the last modal verb we're learning today is trebati. Trebati, should or need. Trebam, trebam, I should. Trebaš, trebaš, you should. Treba, treba, he, she, it should. Trebamo, trebamo, we should. Trebate, trebate, you should. Trebaju, trebaju, they should. Example. Trebam kupiti kartu za autobus. Trebam kupiti kartu za autobus. I should buy tickets. I should or I need to buy bus ticket. Negative form of trebati, should or need goes like this. Ne trebam, Ne trebam. Ne trebaš. Ne trebaš. Ne treba. Ne treba. Ne trebamo. Ne trebamo. Ne trebate. Ne trebate. Ne trebaju. Ne trebaju. Example. Ne trebaš ponijeti kaput. Nije hladno na polju. Again. Ne trebaš ponijeti kaput. Nije hladno na polju. You don't need to bring a coat. It isn't cold outside. Interrogative form of trebati. Da li trebam or trebam li? Da li trebam or trebam li? Da li trebaš or trebaš li? Da li trebaš or trebaš li? Da li treba or treba li? Da li treba or treba li? Da li trebamo or trebamo li? Da li trebamo or trebamo li? Da li trebate or trebate li? Da li trebate or trebate li? Da li trebaju or trebaju li? Da li trebaju or trebaju li? Example. Trebamo li donijeti poklon vašem sinu? Trebamo li donijeti poklon vašem sinu? Do we need to bring a present to your son? Today we'll learn about modal verbs. Let's repeat them one more time. Moći. Moći. To be able. Morati. Morati. Must. Htjeti. Htjeti. To want, would like. Smjeti. Smjeti. To have permission or to dare. Trebati. Trebati. Should. That will be all for today. Thank you for learning how to speak Bosnian with us. And for more awesome videos, don't forget to like us, subscribe, and to leave comments below so that we can create more useful content for the next time. Also, please don't forget to go to our website, learnbosnian.club, where you can take quiz and test your knowledge. Until next time, ciao!